hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties reached by this weather radio